Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth system in this Mitsubishi Outlander. It's voice activated, the voice control switch is here.
Ready.
Set up.
Select one of the following: pairing options, confirmation prompts, select phone, language or password, or say cancel to return to the main menu.
Pairing options.
Do you want to pair a phone, delete a phone, or list paired phones?
Pair a phone.
Please say a 4-digit pairing code.
0000.
Pairing code 0000. Is this correct?
Yes.
Start pairing procedure on phone. See phone's manual for instructions.
So click hands-free system. 000. Pair.
Please say the name of the phone after the beep.
Barry's iPhone.
Adding.
Barry's iPhone.
Is this correct?
Yes.
Assign a priority for this phone between 1 and 7, where
What?
1 is the phone used most often.
1. Barry's iPhone.
Set to priority 1. Is this correct?
Yes.
Pairing complete.
Okay, so that's done. Far more complicated than it needs be. In other cars you could have done that in about 10 seconds. So without having to listen to the menus and so on, you can see them all individually on the screen without somebody reading it out to you, and without having to consult your handbook first to see what the menu is and what you have to say into the voice. Anyway, fortunately you only have to do it once, or when you get a new phone or when you get the car. So that's it.